Hey.
And all the things crab too. And then little memes. And all the fucking little woodchucks makers. And the little fucking crab shop they make.
Is that a dead bird in your hand?
Yeah, it's dead, but I don't care.
Oh, no. My cat might want it.
Dead means uses.
That's cool.
Daddy, come here.
Skitty, it's a dead bird.
How did you know? Epicus Caesar. Why? Because I'm dead.
What's the name of the bird?
Epicus Caesar.
Oh. You just threw the bird.
Bad goose, bitchy bankers. What happened? Dead bird head. Boo bitch head. I don't see you dead boo bankers.
Alright,
yeah, do dag to the thing. You never forget dead boos and bad cats. Boos and bitch, baggy ass.
So.
Dead birds in baggy ass.
Gosh.
Okay, this is where a bitch took all my heroin out of my pocket.
Who?
I was selling heroin one time, and I got fucking somebody went and ran in my car. Was getting in my car. Said I'm gonna go too. I was like, fuck no, bitch. Who are you? Get the fuck out of my car. I don't know you.
Right.
You're bar stars. She goes, it's not me. It's not here. I said, and she snapped her little finger in my fucking pocket real quick. Snatched my dope, and she went to like this is the hotel thing that she drowned herself in. And they tried to take it out and say I gave her all my fucking L's and Pels. Made her sick, and she wants my dick, and I'm like, I'm not even mad. This is a plan.
Your
she
dick.
Stole my fucking apparel. She stole my heroin. I'm from all the way. Okay, what's it called? Paris. What's it called? Pasadena. And this bitch talking shit right now. All bullshit. All it is. All bull fucking shit. I'm like, man, fuck you, $10 you time me. And you motherfuckers that don't believe in heroin swearing gal ass. And she fucking had an overdose in the fucking cup. And everything thinks I'm a bad bruise. And I'm fucking lying. I'm not. It's all my truth, man. Don't stick. They always come and steal all of my dope. I do. I buy like $220 worth. Who makes me? I'm a smoking ass fiend, do that to me. And they come in and they'll fucking do that shit. We'll be slow ass forward because we're gonna sell that shit. That's how kids me cameras, blue bags and already got ripped out. And they keep coming over with their friends. Now we can't come in and rape your ass. Take your ass, mind your eggs, just to fuck there. My friends fall asleep to get come fuck. Well, no, we're not here, dude. We're in sex fuck here, you stranger. And you ain't fuck here, dude. In this picky sack I see room fucking Pharisees. We're gonna get Pharisees and Pharisees and same old shit. Okay? Paris, no. We got fuck nowhere, no safe. Blue bag, everything.
So do you got any heroin?
That's not me. I guess I'm gonna move shit and found it. Yeah, get on your dirty blanket, make a little dirt thing, and think you're thinking, and think your blanket thinking, and everything by blue bag, you. Fuck you and buy blue bags blanket.
Yeah.
And what white is used in blankets means, what means and buys the boots. Okay, bitch like you.
Heroin's a motherfucker.
Little bag ass boots, blue hat bitch, and I was wait, fuck that. God, I know Jesus either. Last night I was smoking dope and they were looking for me. Who is she smoking with? Top drop and every bitch that dropped rocks just to see me. Kids like way from Bad Suits, America's Flowers, way before it's made miles, and number me, nobody wants. Oh yeah, where's she at? Smoking dope. I'm with my motherfucking black magic cat, and everything real true. I'm talking to black magic cats on the hilltop too. By the tires, I'm like, wow, you look like you're dying, you're just lying there behind the top. He's like, really, you know what I am? I'm just true, and why, and all it is why it is, and me who I am, and everything thinking on me, life and loose and dead already. They said I'm too tired. This time to you, a little black cat that don't have nothing. I thought you said not me somewhere as well. You like a light, a right when you say. And me and mine, a good loader loader, and all y'all, even this man's got a bitch right here, taking him up, doing the thing. Thinking that he's telling me, talking to me, and everything he's talking to me, and I'm talking mommy jammy boo. I'm talking about black bag, the stupid fucking snowman said I was Jesus. No, I'm black magic.
Snowman said you were Jesus.
And a black magic cat, real motion. And I live next month. I put a little bit.
Man, I'm so glad I got off meth. Thank God I never touched heroin.
Like, that's what we do. That's what we smoke. I said, wait till you come give me true. We smoke for me, a little bit of me. And ooh, hell yeah, I'm thinking. Oh yeah, give me that thinking, and it's a little yes, you try. And you guys don't like hearing, but that's because you ain't got no minds, miss. And you don't want to hear nothing swearing. You just want to hear yours and bury it. Your butthole slapping swearing. Poop that's hell yeah, but
butthole slap?
It doesn't matter. I got the best whole butthole fuck, and everything loves me, and everything what. I got male, real, and real things what. I know how to
you're rapping.
Just a butthole say, oh, I'm home, and I surrender something, bury me.
We have children around here. I don't know if you want to.
I am the secret. Nobody has to know why I'm me. And everything sleeping.
Babe, she has the best butthole around here.
Even you can dare this thing. Then I don't give a fuck who say. And then it's like Mark say, you say, I'm a dumbass bitch talking shit anyway. Do that.
You need a beat.
Watch all the things that you think. Before you think that, I don't care. You guys.
She needs a beat. She's rapping, babe.
And what you is, you guys J. No, you are boo, and all that is. One means and my on me. That's you, that's on me. Oh, big on me, on me. That's that, all on it. Nobody's but who big on it. That is guaranteed it. But ain't that fucking no one sound good and fuck. Feel good, feel walls, all that, and a real good day.
There's a crazy bitch right the window.
Shit, go, shit, little boy, you, and little girl, bitch. Think I'm serious, it's all, you're not gonna take that thing. No, don't call me that. You don't come, so I can come. And use and use and wise and become.
Hey, she's rapping.
Don't ever come
About the best butthole.
Like little bad booze and little.
Hey, Destiny. This is why you don't do meth or heroin. I'm just saying.
What kind of kids are you, bro? Oh, yeah, those kids, the babies you have. Oh, yeah.
All right.
See if you go Incubus, dead already. Spain goes and moment. Why the Facebook group? Hey, Incubus, please, best. Come on, best you know how your kids never own it. The king of Spain, yeah, he's blessed with the Incubus. Cool, right, right. Fuck with his donut. Fuck with his thing. He's a little baby boo back set.
Yeah.
Boo back bitch, boo.
They tell me no.
Yeah, don't get it, man. Bar. They got you, dudes. Look at this and bang. Hey, down the bang. We're gonna get some mad. You're gonna have to dead, man. You know me. But I want you bad shoes, mine. Everything. And my grandmother good to me. Bad goose and hard to me. His ass hard, just swears to this shit. Me and him, Bruce, Bruce, in the fucking sheep. We're beating each other up.
Excuse me.
Fuck you guys.
What's your name, sweetheart?
My name is Marcel.
Marcel, how old are you?
I'm 34.
34.
More, and just me on my swear.
Okay.
Oh my God! Somebody walked down behind you.
Who?
Hey, fuck the trespasser! Hey!
That's my cat.
No, there's a black and white behind you. Watch out! Get out there!
A what?
A trespasser!
No.
No, somebody black and white. Swear to God.
No.
Right there. Swear to God. Somebody walked behind you, dude.
Yeah, that's.
Oh my God!
That's my daughter.
Right there, somebody!
Hey, you're scaring my kids. You're scaring my kids. Okay. That's alright.
You guys don't fight me, though.
No. That was my daughter. There's no black and white. Everything's good. Yeah, Marcel. What's your name? And this is my cat. You're scaring my cat.
I see when the black and white drive by, somebody walk by him, and then one more time walk by him, and then the fat bitch said swear. They don't believe there's a trespasser in there.
Hey, I was gonna ask, do you mind getting off the plant? There's a black and white in the corner over there. You can't be scaring people like that. You know, you're black and white. You're creeping behind me, and that is a no-no. I know. You're supposed to duck. Okay? Forward to sit down. You don't feel bad like that? I know, but yeah, you know what? Let's just. Okay.
Yeah, I just see what I see. People argue with me.
Get the.
I like to drink. You have any more beer? It's cold to drinking. Yeah, $1. Hey, do you have it, Katie? Hey, can I buy a cigarette for a quarter? Hey, Smeeks, snacks and juice. You're gonna waste that cigarette and fucking beer tonight and having your own way. Little japacoos and fools. Whoa, just stop. Pink, you're not cool.
I'll have you visit her and I'm gonna show you.
I don't believe that you like to drink as much as
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reason why we keep our kids off drugs. So
no,
we
you
give them a
don't.
better future. The
Kind of
outcome would be this or worse. But at least the
Food
person is
facts
still
and everything's
living.
facts. Drink stinks and everything thinking. Stink sacks and beers facts and wild booze and what is bad. Hey, you stole my little dead tail, my little cool ass bitch. My winner, everything, everything. What can I say? Fuck you and all that. You don't believe me. Use big bags, wives, I throw cats' hairs and shit in fairs. Piggy, see what?
Hello. It's my
Piggy, see
cat.
me.
Yes.
What is the scary? You bags, boots, your bites, but cool ass use is true about you. Spooks, backs, stoops, anything I want is sherry? No, you're a lies ass, booty ass bitch. Bag, boots, and carry ass bitch. Squares, and always something. Lies, lose, and waste of time. Lies, lose, and bad booze. All that shit and beer shit is gonna be up to waste, waste, all mine is everything yours. Chase, space, waste, more than I Look at go, man. I rebuke the starvation of a cat. I rebuke waste in all my ass and the pretendabilities of what my hands. I repair the ins and outs of chains and all my things that keeps cherish goes. Yeah, you believe in cherish goes and means. Yours a little too time, a little too big. Wonder like, what is small? What is me? Snoopy doos, baby doos, what me, Susan me? Got the fucking shit about bitch ass sneaky ass shit down fucking like. Little that shit run around, come through, little stranger, lock me out, check me out, take place, little baby, two bangers, little bill, same old bitch, she's bitch, want the bitch, suck a dick, she's bitch, you're not the cancer, I'm a bitch, I do my shit where you're such a gangster, you evil boo bag, got boo bag, bitch, the bitch, but I do shit my way, and I'm too evil, you just a whole bag, jack, little ass shit. That's nothing straight. I've never even said. Do bad shit with a full bad bitch. Do bad shit. Bad shit and full bad shit. They know shit against gangster what? Asian people ain't no gangster bullshit. But you're a small little idol, a boo bag bitch. Wait for them and a key rich motherfucker. And another motherfucker saying, who bad bitch? Wait till I'm small and do bad dick. I would have done it all real quick. Nobody knows about who big ass bitch. Yo, you're a stupid little stranger. Think you're gonna grow big and bigger, baby. And everybody's gonna have a dick for you, stranger. Hungry dick little ranger. Little dick stranger rolling all around. We're a little shorty land, all on that ass. Where's little shorty?
Exactly why I want you
little
not do drugs, Destiny, okay?
Men, all of them have little shiny strangers. Yeah, I see all that. Look at fucking up, short, stupid dope. Short, little sport. Little smaller, yes. Smaller, I seen it when I was out there. All that. Hey, your waggers, beggars, foods, bags of eggs. Whatever, bags of eggs. Gotta go pick up mama, gay, Thursday, everything. Get the fuck out of days and times of boo-boos. Keep your magic boo-boos and little things and jangle things. And magic toys will never say the boo-boo, chicken boo. Hey, girl, y'all understand me later? Same shit in blue way. Straight, all I know all the say. The James and your jam babies up. I just know with the little black squares. Right there, I picked. Well, sat just sneaking around, little black ass, little smooth ass, sticky ass bitch. I see ya, little ass, yard ass, little short ass bitch. Trying to go boo bag bitch on me. Caught you, you little sport ass bitch. Whatever you is, 2 foot tender. Far as a bun, little what wonder. What the fuck, I see you, boo bag bitch. Whatever you is, whatever it be. The blue back, black, all that way, black something. Something square, and sure. Shadow black, right there, fucking at the face, blue black, behind the beat. You guys can't see behind the pan, right there, wait for the gate, beef, my one bite. Like the damn boo, dazzle, what's going about me, hazard, and where's your mom? Oh, she amazing. I like damn boo, bag on shit. We a bag on bitch and a bag on chick. We catch y'all chambers. Try home, man. Oh my goodness, oh my God. Butt fucking everything, that's all season one more time. I'm gonna fucking fuck the boo fuck, scary ass. Never drinking, fucking her ass. That's fun with boo bag fuck. Finally I'm in love with my gay ass look. Nobody knows I'm a deep sea drinking. Do ass or this. And I'm never gonna be thirsty. A cool ass kid. All I want is water, bees, and boo ass. Little ass and king ass. Boo ass and boo. A little ass is all your bastards. It's still the wrong way. It gets nostrils and bastards. And when I go boom, and push it out. That's all I gotta do. And then boom, always is just muscle, and I don't understand why you do it and why you got. This is my other stuff. You can ask yourself sometimes. How that's muscle one. These guys and boo back fag. Knock it out and boo. Who could beat up a fag bag? And watch the rules and what he has. Watch rules and what it could be as. Watch boo back, all that shit. bag, harder than who's harder? The full bag dick, the heart of the teeth, the idle harder, blue bag bitch, I don't give a fuck, I'll turn go tangle any of the back in the back seat. Tell you how to, and I can't hit a big ass my man. Hey, the big ass head that we're gonna get is all those that believe hard in between, but they think that's that. That is that. Like you fucking holding and bonging. Dude got the dick. You see him little chain that I got a dick. Down at the burger, bag ass dick. GDO. Make my snake go holy harder. Why I want his dick? Why I want have a snake boot too? Why am I losing my arm? Don't remember Barn Charm and Farm Yard? How you jumped us and moved us from a bar in a clean ass ocean to far as to be with you and Tim and Chelsea and all the people that lined up swimming. Fuck you and damn and dead. Don't come around with boo, fag. And when I come and accept you, you only accept the one. And that boo, one, man, cold blanket, looking around with all us lost. Not when you're weird talk, not when you're so big shit. Not when you're separating water from me, water from us. We don't want to be there, we don't want to be. We already beat shut, bad dudes, shaggy up, all of them, boom, bam, big flat. What? All the fucking born fell bigger. We get two big biz, and what you get fucking with these breeze, with the same blues, water system, water blues and wood guns. Round around all one more chain. What her town bag, food versus get small, I don't give a fuck. Bam, bam, boom. What's the other shit? You get boom, boom, bang, and shit. The only man that matters, the man go fast, go by, fast. Big bad jack, big ass nigga, big ass sack. Big white boy drive that, oh yeah. Oh yeah, we just got there, for me standing. 66, fat sex, and fuck yeah, bitch. I got my flower, book, violin. I'm not just doing tunes, but I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. Why would it lie? I'm why baby speak, she got on tree, my day night shit, my good ass bitch. My non-cutting and little ass bitch. Swear 30 asking in my ear. Please check, I'm feeling. Please don't see you. Bomb with, is that a lie? Oh yeah, bitch, you know it. Why are you traveling fucking measure me in there? Why are you lying?
What?
Why are you suffering in your damn blue seat?
Oh no, I'm just tired. I was yawning.
Bellhood bags, why are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Why? You didn't see yourself except for his dad. Let me show Boo, my dad, Boo dad, your dad, whatever. Try me again, give us center, well. Those motherfucking dragons. Dad, Boo's back, man. What's dad, bag, Marco Cat? Go, please, go, man, go get him, cat. Please go, gangster. All them white boy, black dogs, and that go teams. Cherry ups and dudes. Why are they talking shit about use miles and all that? You look 1, 2, blue ass bitch. One monkey shit, blue ass bitch. But I spot him. He probably thinks I can't have him. There's a reason why I need you to know that I pick you out that man go dust. So you can come out and go do that favor. I need you to save me, nigga. I go say, whatever dreams. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6, 1 less, and perfect thing. Isn't everybody wanna make it? Something you don't remember you need to ever. While you scream to get beaten up in your sleepy blanket, get up there, out of there, and out of that fucking apartment and fucked up, and get up now.
Sweetheart.
Bazoo.
If I give you 3 cigarettes.
What happened? Boo at you.
I know, butt humping. If I give you 3 cigarettes, can you go and smoke them over there?
Sure.
Yeah, because, you know, my daughter's trying to sleep.
Same here.
All right, sweetheart? What's your name again?
Marcel.
Marcel, all right, I'll be right back.
It doesn't look like that, you know. Just want to see what he looks like before he thinks that I don't think I know. It's not mine, or if it's any of mine, I feel special. I like what I see peeking out my window, telling me, wait, I like what I see when you peek out my window, Miss Moon. Man. 3 cigarettes, will you go smoke them over there later? That's old, I don't care if you give me old toes, let me see that face again, give me some fucking love and bad shit. Thank you very much. Okay, get back. Okay, I see all this. That is exactly. I see you. Hey, get the real cookie. Who's right there? Bad man, Judy. The real guy looking out the window. Where is he? Leave him out. Nah, everything. I know what She's black and white. Hey, bro, hey, Bill. Cutie. Cutie, guys. 1, 2 times. Means using 1, 2, means they use with a cute little bent ears and like, oh yeah, the way he moves. Hey, I like you. I seen the 1, 2, 3, 8.
Hey, that was me. I just gave you the cigarettes.
Let me see you, Mo.
Bad bougie.
Hey, Mo, try.
I just gave you the 3 cigarettes. Can you please smoke them over there?
Man.
Please. Please.
Okay, same thing happened. I should 1, 2, 3, same kind of guys. It's crazy, bro. Okay. I like all 3 of them. Patty, Susan, what's some gangster? Yeah, put them in the bathroom, man. Very nice, very nice.
Alright, bye-bye.
I can't teach. Oh, guys, oh my.
I give her 3 cigarettes. That's okay. Do me a favor.
As you guys go, say go blue. That great 1 minute. Whatever it takes to get rid of it. And go.
I know, just fed the cat.
The Jenga bitch. Hey, the Jay Chinese. Another guy's house. Another country, Chinese bodies, fake countries or not. 1, 2, 3 guys. 1, 2, 3 guys, same shit. Woo, China, 3, whatever it takes. 1, 2, 3, whatever it takes.
Bye-bye.
I like the first one. Go back.
Fucking A, dude. Heroin and meth is a motherfucker.